Welcome to a little video that I decided I want to do. So this is OBS Studio, which you can download in a link that I will provide in the description of this video. OBS Studio is a free video screener, whatever you want to call it. So it's basically a free program that you can download at OBS slash download, which you can go to OBS. Like I said, it's obsprojects.com/download. You download this thing right here, and then it'll download to your file where you can download it and then open it and launch it. I already have it open, obviously. So I'm doing this because I've had a few people ask me questions about what I use now. I've switched from using a program before it was XSplit Gamecaster. Which is, I still have it on my computer, I just don't use it. I've been using OBS. Now you can also notice I've cleaned up my screen a little bit too. But yeah, so I used to use this called, this program right here, called XSplit Gamecaster. One of these two. They're also free, but you have limitations. In this one, you can have different scenes. So you can see I'm under Minecraft, Game Minecraft. I have Untitled, and that was the one I've been using, but I wanted to make a new one and kind of show you how to set it up. So once you download it, you agree some terms, install it. Okay, pretty much that's what you do. So then we can rename this. Oh, we can't remove it, but we can rename this as game. So we're going to rename this game, okay? And you can have more than one scene. And in here, we're going to do auto. We're going to do auto capture. But before we do that, we have to have Minecraft up and running. So we're going to launch Minecraft. And we're going to also set this up for modded as well, because I do play modded. And now we're going to do that. We're going to do Minecraft Java. Just okay. And then you can just bring it all the way up like that. That is Minecraft. So then we can rename this. Rename Minecraft. Alright, that's about Minecraft. Ooh. Minecraft. Okay. And I'm just going to do that as that. So that's that one. We're going to turn this off. We're going to open up the launcher for Fullcraft. We're going to just launch. And there's a new update for 1.6. Hint that might be what we're doing later on in a live stream probably. And, oh, I don't have it. Oh. Can't have two windows up. That's the problem with that. And oh, that was the wrong one. You can also see I've been playing a thing called Stone Block. That's a interesting mod pack. Okay, now let's launch. Cancel. Oh, I have it up. Ah, okay. Sorry about that. Play. Stone Block is a really interesting mod pack. Basically, you're in stone. There we go. So then we're going to do add new. We're going to do capture window. We're going to do new. And then we're going to wait for the Java thing to pop up. And we're going to do that is the capture. And once it pops up. Takes a minute to pop up. And then we're going to do that. Boom. Now with this window, we will have to make it bigger, but we have to usually have to wait for the game to be done loading. But we can make it all the way to there. And then, so just gotta stretch it out to the fullest. So it's like that. So there's the Minecraft modded. And then we can rename that as well. And Did I spell something wrong? In one of them. Maybe. No, I didn't. So this is how you... This is the easiest part. Getting this to actually work. Now, with OBS Studio in the classic version, which I just found out that they discontinued, the classic version. Before, there was a classic version, and it says, well, this is no longer supported, but it looks like that they are, the OBS Classic is no longer supported, so you really should, the OBS, Studio is a much better program. I do have the old OBS, I haven't used it, but you can also live stream with OBS, so you can see there's things here, over here, so you can start streaming and just do local recordings. You can also set it up so when you're streaming, you also save a file on your computer as well. Now, I've noticed sometimes when I'm trying, and that's why there hasn't been a Minecraft video lately when I've been trying to do the screen on here, it doesn't work. Something wrong. So the only thing is I'm not sure about the Minecraft music. So we might have to somehow add it in. I'm hoping it automatically adds it into it, but we'll find out. I mean, so this is how I usually have it up. Okay, so as that's coming in, on here we're going to also add in images for my live stream. So we're going to do image, logo. So we're going to add in an image. Now again, I keep everything on my desktop for my live streaming. See, I have a live streaming photo right here. So it's going to be the overlay Crave thing that Crave made me. Thank you again, Crave. So I'm just going to pop that on over that. So you can see that it's now over. So it doesn't matter what version of Minecraft I have up, it's there. I have noticed there's a little thing here coming out. I don't know why that is, but that's okay. So we can move these up as well. So you can have these below or up. You can use the arrow keys or you can drag it. And you have to have the logo above the Minecraft thing because it's like layers. So you get layers on top of layers. And then we are going to add in the okay, so over here we're going to do videos, okay? So we're going to add a new, this is like a new scene. So you can see how I can transfer back and forth. So like if I want, and in this one we're going to have the loops. So we're going to do media. We're just going to add the media in first, and then we'll worry about like what media it is. So we have all the game stuff, and then we have the logos and all that. So we're going to do that. We're going to hit loop, hit OK. So that one is the just live streaming one. And we can have these all in the same one. It doesn't really matter. And then we'll do another media one, media 2, browse, and then we'll do this one. And again, just gotta make it bigger. And I think this is the wrong one. So let's see, this one's the B-rate back, but I don't think. Yes, it's not right. Okay, so we're gonna go back in here. I think it's this one. We want this loop. And that's, wait, this is the same one. Man, I don't have a B-rate back screen. Thought I did. So now you can see the audio is coming up there. Oh, good. So it is coming up. Okay. I didn't know if it would automatically do it, or it wouldn't. Oh, okay. So it looks like the game mechanics are not in. And you can see that it's a little off, so what we can just do is just bring that over just a tad bit more. And you should be able to hear this, but the video, if I was doing a video, there's no, you can see there's no mixer in here, so you gotta probably add a mixer in here. So I'm gonna, I think it's just add, use default. Okay, so there's the input. So I think that's just this, my headphone. Maybe to add the Minecraft music, it's something else. I'm not 100% sure though. Oh, it looks like I didn't lock that one. Yep. So this is the. So we got the logo in there. We want to lock that so we can't move it. We'll lock that. Lock that, and then this one, it also detects the other one, but we're gonna use that for the regular Minecraft. Okay. But it's saying, oh, because I'm dragging the other one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's kind of mute that for right now. So we got that. And again, I don't. It looks like it is. Okay, yeah, it looks like it is coming out of the game itself, which is good. And then we want to lock these anyway, because we don't need them. Okay, so this one is the streaming one. This one is also the. Okay, that's just streaming. And that one says be right back. Okay, good. So we got both of them. The Minecraft stream. Alright. And I usually only use the one because I don't need both. So that takes care of that. And then you have intros. Intro. And you can make these anything you want. You don't have to. And here we're gonna do media sources again, and right now we have the I don't know if I can enter them. I gotta enter each one separately. That's fine. And we're not gonna loot these, but we're just gonna. Wait, come on. Huh. Okay, let's add again. Media, browse, boom, boom, and okay. Usually it's not that small. Media source. Let's try this one. Huh. See. Huh. Let's make this bigger so I can look into it a little bit better. So we're on a browser source. Media. Huh. Browser. Browser is not what we want. Okay. Well, we'll go back to that. Okay. The next thing I want to talk to you about is, there's a few things. Sub counter. I fixed the sub counter. You can go to this site right here. It's and I'll put a link in the description for this. So you just go to this website again. Description. Pretty much you put your ID of your YouTube channel in, which is gonna be When you're logged on this page, it's this right here. I'm going to copy and paste that into here. And then you can, for me, I do how many subs I have, the font size, fire animation, you hit submit, and then you get a code up here. And then what you do is you go here, add, and it's the web browser. So you're going to hit browser, and then in here, you're just going to put that in, hit paste, and then you got the sub counter. So now I will have the sub counter up on the screen. I can have it anywhere on the screen, so I could have it there. I just moved the Minecraft thing again, didn't I? It's not locked. So yeah, so this I could put anywhere. I could put it here. I can make it bigger by just squeezing it out. I usually have it there, so we're gonna go ahead and lock that in, like so. So then it can't be moved unless I unlock it and then move it. So that's that, and that will be in the description. The other thing is, it's during my live streams, you might notice I have something that actually says what's playing, music-wise. So again, on my desktop, I have a thing called, actually let's do it in regular Minecraft just because it'll be easier. So we're going to unsee that just so I can do this correctly, and then we'll relaunch that. And in here, I've also redid all my music. So all my music's in here. There's about I don't even have it up right now, but there's a huge playlist with a lot of music in it. It's a lot of music. So if I go into documents, and then I just made this playlist last night, so we don't need that anymore. Uh-oh. Is it because I moved the music? I might have moved the music before I thought I did it when it was in there. Let's see. Uh-oh. Okay, we are gonna have to redo this, I guess. Alright. This is a program that's also free, but yeah, you can download this off of, I think, TLC's website. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all the music in here. Again, it's like 14 hours worth of music. Or actually 20, I think it's like 20 something. 24 hours. So then we're gonna go to media, we're gonna save this as a file. And we'll just do new list. So new list. And we're gonna save. New. Of course it wouldn't let me do that, so we'll do that. So this is the playlist of the music. Now if you have it in this program, you can easily, okay, now I'm gonna lock that, okay. So in this program, if you download this other thing that I have, it's called Snippet, and I'll have this in the description. Pretty much you can download this code right here. You can download it into a file. Again, I already have it installed, and it's right here. And you're gonna unzip it into a folder, and then in this folder there's gonna be an exe, and that's how you launch the program itself. So we're gonna, and they'll make a text file, and then also down here there'll be something too. So when you double click on this, it'll launch it. And then what you gotta do is you go in here. Okay. So here, add text file. Hit that. And then you want to read from file, you're going to browse, and you're going to go in here, and snippet in here, hit open, and that's it. And then anytime that you play music, it will automatically have it. And so that's how I do that. There's that, and then, depending on how long it is, it just pops up. So pretty simple. I got some Christmas music in the queue as well. we got some old ones. Yeah. So, you got the A to Z. So, that's how I do that when I have live streams. So this can then, okay, so this is gonna be, we're gonna rename this, not at, we're gonna, music, uh, so we're just gonna, just being, rename, oh, music. And again, this is for the sub goal, so we're gonna do this one, rename, sub. We're just gonna do sub because we'll know it's sub, you know, the subs. Again, these two things are really simple to set up. Again, you just need to get the snippet. Once you launch into there, you get the code, and then anytime the music plays, it switches up there. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. So yeah, it looks. Game. Yes, I'm not sure. This might. Yeah, this is coming out of the headset. I'll have to test that out when I do a Minecraft video. So we got the videos here. We got the intros here. So this first one is just the regular one. Okay, so this is the intro. And then the other one, oh, can't have two. Video intro, I guess. Video. Intro. Video intro. And then if I go to this one. Oh, wait a minute. Ew. Wait a minute. So then if I take that off, turn this on. Yeah, okay. So I have this off a little bit. So this one here is the intro. Rename. BR, right? BRB. Okay, so then okay, so this is be right back. This is this other one, okay. Be right back, intro. Okay. So then, which one is this? Those are not going to show because they're not on. Well, this is we were working on before. Okay, delete that. Intro. Media. And then we'll go back to live stream. Open. Boom. Oh, now it's showing up. So, this one is just for the regular Let's Play. lock. And then media sense, which is this one. Okay, this one we don't need because we don't have that series anymore. Okay, so this is on our server. That one. And then, so then we got both these in there. Lock them up. And you won't be able to hear them because they're going through the internal of the game. And then we're going to just unmute that. Then we're going to do the next one, which is, that's not, this might be another modded one. What's this? Modded Survival Stories 3, which again, that one we don't have either. What's this one? And this is just Minecraft, so this is just, you know, the other one we use. Okay. Add. New browser. And then browse, and then what's this one? And there's another one. It seems like it's the same one. I'll leave it for now. Because I don't know, it could be the same one, it might be different. One's HD and one's not, that's what it is, okay. And this is for modded, yep. So this one's HD, and this one isn't, so let's... Right? That's MP4, so let's... I'm gonna delete that one. And then rename that one. And rename this one. Modded. And then again, you can move them up like this. As we do, let's have that. And then that looks good. So then, so we can look at them. That's for normal videos, and this is for the Let's Play video live streams that we do. Now, normally when I do a Minecraft video, I don't, as I'll do it this way, I don't use this when I'm doing a normal video. I just normally, I do the game, you know, I have all this turned off. I have to figure out the audio thing. But I normally have all that off, and I hit start recording. I add the intro in after I'm done with the video. But with live streams, I have to have it during the live stream. So this will make it that easier. We got the Be Right Back screens. We got the game footage. This is going to make it a lot easier to do live streams too. Okay. And yeah, the modded thing goes right back to where it was, but that's okay because we can just keep on having that up. So that would take care of that. We do have a 1,636 subs. Thanks for all the new subs as well. So pretty much, I think that might be it. Let me double check. So you can go here to get the snippet thing, which I showed you how to kind of install. You just pretty much unzip it into a folder. You launch this folder, and as long as it's up on your toolbar, you're good. The snippet's very interesting because you can, yeah, it's very good for the audio and stuff like that. So that's one thing that will be in the description. We'll have the OBS Studio in the description as well. How to get to the sub counter thing, I'll have that in the description. Obviously, you just gotta put your channel ID in here. And this extra thing is, let me show you. Duplicate this. And I want to, can I just reset it? When you get here, it doesn't look like this. So, it will look, oh, I haven't done that. So I think, yeah, you can go here and yeah. But yeah, if you do, I guess setup, if you just go to this website and say setup, it should automatically, oh wait a minute, and then you just, pretty much you just select this code, paste it into there. If you guys have any questions about how to do that, let me know in the comment section. And again, the music, as you play the music, it changes up here. Just make sure that you don't, it's not too long of a thing. There's the one on here that I play, it's the computer one. That has a long, here's one that's pretty long too. It's a Christmas one. Yeah, see how it like cuts it off? That's all. It's just on certain songs, so it might cut off it. So let's see. Yeah, see that one is fine. And I think you can see how there's like little lines in here. If you rename it in here, it won't have those lines. So that's one thing to know. The only thing I don't know is the audio thing. I'll have to look into that. But pretty much, if you look at my old titles, it had the desktop mixer in there. So I don't know why the mixer, that's weird. I don't know why the mixer is not in here. It's just not showing up. Auto stripped. And if you wanna, your settings are in settings in here. Your live streaming is in here. You have a streaming key for your services. Make sure when you're live streaming you have that active. You have hotkeys as well, and you also have your video settings. I wonder if I, because I had it in Untitled before. I wonder if it saves the settings. Yeah, it must. It must have. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, so we'll go back. I see how many things I had before. Now it's nice and neat. But yeah, I mean, this is how you can set it up. And again, you got the music. The game music will come through your speakers. I just gotta figure out why the mixer's not working. And that's with any game. I think it might be fine. It just might not be set up correctly, maybe. And again, if you want to do a video, You do this, and you want to do a live stream, you hit this. So it's a pretty simple program to use. So I'm going to disable all this. You want to make sure everything is locked though, because you could easily move something, and you don't want to move it at all. So I think that's going to conclude this episode, this little quick video of me how to set up OBS Studio. Links will be in the description, and maybe there'll be a live stream soon. Hint. Alright, until our next video, I'm going to say my videos, and that is bye bye for now.